Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play PUBG Mobile games on PC. To get started, you'll need an emulator, which is software that mimics an Android device on your computer. The official and recommended emulator for PUBG Mobile is GameLoop, formerly known as Tencent Gaming Buddy. However, other popular options like BlueStacks and Nox Player are also available, offering similar functionality for a smooth gaming experience. First, download the GameLoop installer directly from its official website. Once downloaded, simply run the installer and follow the straightforward on-screen prompts to complete the setup. After installation, launch GameLoop, navigate to the Game Center, and search for PUBG Mobile. Click to install the game within the emulator, and you'll be ready to dive into the action. To ensure the best experience, optimize your settings. Adjust in-game graphics to a balanced level for smooth frame rates. Customize your keybinds for keyboard and mouse to match your playstyle, giving you precise control. Make sure your PC has at least 8 GB of RAM and a capable processor. Allocating sufficient resources to the emulator will significantly enhance performance. Playing on PC offers several advantages, including a much larger display and more accurate aiming with your mouse. You'll often experience improved graphics and higher frame rates compared to playing on a mobile device. Custom key mappings provide a competitive edge, allowing for quicker reactions. Always use a stable, high-speed internet connection for uninterrupted and lag-free gameplay.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.